Bro, what the f? Created with support from the European Union? What is that? Start the show. If this hacks my PC, every here owes me one gifted sub. Can we make a deal? Can we make a deal? Every in this chat owes me one gifted sub if I click start the show and this fucks up my PC.
So let's talk about your face. Specifically, we'll be looking at machine learning algorithms that try to judge your face. By giving access to your camera, you'll be able to experience these algorithms yourself. But don't worry, everything will run locally in your own browser. No data is sent to the cloud in any way.
Are you sure?
At the end of the experience, you
May
will
I
be able
ask
to
how
share
old
some
you
anonymous
are?
data with us if you want, but it's totally up to you.
Am I closer to 20 or 25?
The first algorithm we'll look at is designed to judge the beauty or attractiveness of your face. It will give you a score between 0 and 10. Having some idea of how attractive you are can be very valuable. For example, dating services like Tinder.
No, it just glitched. Hold on, stop.
Attractive.
No. Redo it. It glitched. It glitched. Redo it. That ass. No. I wasn't
let's
focused.
talk about your face.
Chill out, nigga. Chill out.
We'll be
I gotta
looking
put my
at
age. It
machine
didn't let me
learning
put my
algorithms that try
age,
to
bro.
judge
It
your
glitched,
face.
nigga.
By giving access to your camera,
20.
you'll be able to experience these algorithms yourself. The first algorithm we'll look at is designed to judge the beauty or attractiveness of your face. It will give you a score between 0 and 10. Having some idea of how attractive you are can be very valuable. For example, dating services like Tinder use it to match people who are about equally attractive. Some social media companies, such as TikTok, are known to promote content from attractive people more. If you ask Chinese students to give their
I'm good.
opinions,
How do I
their
skip?
cultural
Can I
perceptions of
skip? Oh,
beauty-
skip.
Next, let's look at an algorithm that's designed to judge your age. And what you'll see here, as well as with many others, is that if you move your head around, you'll be able to influence the outcome quite a bit. Some stores use these algorithms to learn more about their visitors. They can also be used to guess who might be lying about their age.
Okay, that's
on dating
basically
websites.
my age, bro.
If you happen to share
That's
your age
basically
bracket
my
earlier,
age.
we can now figure out whether
That's
or not
good.
you are a liar. The following algorithm we'll take a look at tries to determine your gender.
Yes! Yes!
Here you can once again see that the country or culture in which the algorithm was constructed can have a big influence on how they categorize and judge people. This algorithm
Did it
would
just
probably
switch?
step out at the gay pride.
Our next algorithm on the menu tries to determine your body mass index, or
What the
BMI,
fuck?
from just looking at your face.
To make an algorithm like this,
Oh,
you
it thinks
once
I'm-
again need thousands of
thinks I'm
photos
skinny.
of people that are tagged with their body mass index.
It thinks I'm skinny.
In practice, I found that the required data is often
Let's
simply
go.
scraped from the internet.
I'm not
For
fat. I
example,
told you, bitch
some
ass
research-
nigga. Skip.
By connecting to this website, you also shared your IP address, and that was used to guess where you are. Now that we have your gender, your age, your country of origin, and the BMI prediction, we can combine these and try to create a life expectancy prediction.
Ha!
These types of predictions are essentially created by stacking educated guesses on top of each other, which makes the result even
What the
more
fuck do you
imprecise.
mean I have 58 years to
However,
live?
That doesn't stop insurance agencies from purchasing these
The
types
fuck
of
that
predictions,
mean?
because to them it's better than nothing.
How do they know that?
Won't you come a little closer?
Don't take this the wrong way, but you have a very unique face.
Bitch!
That's why, just like you have a fingerprint, you also have a face print. This is usually expressed in 128 numbers.
Shout out to
This
at
face
Bernie
print
Pie.
makes it possible
Yo!
to recognize you
Did
wherever
this
you
shit
go.
just call me a good boy?
For example,
Yo!
Russian company FindFace offers a service where you can take a picture of a stranger and then it will try to find the social media profile
What
that
is
belongs to that
this?
person.
I also have to admit something. While this website was loading, I secretly recorded your emotional reaction when the little puppy was shown.
This was done using an algorithm
Your
that tries
reaction to the
determine
dog
your
was
emotional
sad?
state based on
What?
your facial expressions. A company called HireView offers online video interviewing tools.
As a bonus, for the last few minutes your surfing behavior has also been recorded.
You may not realize it, but a lot of websites have little bits of code from companies such as Visual
What
Website
the
Optimizer
fuck?
and Hotjar embedded into them.
What the
This makes it
fuck?
possible to record your mouse movements, as well as any text you may have entered into forms. These services can help improve how a
Bro,
website functions. but
what
also
is
use a large
this?
amount of-
As you probably realize, your data is increasingly collected and combined to create all kinds of predictions about you. By comparing your data to that of others, you can be placed in all kinds of categories. These profiles are not just used to show you better advertisements, but they are starting to impact all kinds of aspects of your life, ranging from getting cheap car loans or insurance to finding a job or even a date.
A date?
While you can try to protect yourself from this tracking online, where, for example, you can delete your cookies. This is much harder when
Will
it comes
you
to the
allow
face, which
the
you can't even delete.
anonymous? Yes or no?
That's why this
What
type
do
of
I
biometric
say?
tracking is much more inescapable and can feel much more constricting. As face recognition technology moves into our daily lives, it can create this subtle but pervasive feeling of being watched and judged all the time.
You are
You might feel more pressure to behave
75%
normally,
normal,
which for an algorithm
violently
means being more
average?
average.
What the fuck?
That's why we have to protect our human rights to privacy, which is
Violently
essentially always
average?
to be different. You could say that privacy is our right
Yo,
to be
hey,
imperfect.
fucking Vsauce, the fuck up,
So
bitch.
we have to be very careful
Shut
when
up!
implementing this technology.
What does
As with
that
all new
mean?
innovations, it
What is
comes with
that?
great stories of how
What
it
is
can
that?
improve our lives in short term.
What is that?
But with biometric systems, we have to be very careful and really think through what it could do to people and society in the long term if, bit
Yo,
by bit, we allow this surveillance culture to develop.
yo, am I cooked? Did I just fuck my shit up? Dude, why the fuck would y'all tell me to do this? Why would y'all tell me to do this? Deadass. Life expectancy 81. Came closer, question mark? Good boy. What the fuck? Yo, Trippy, thank you for the gifted. What the hell? Age 23, lied about age, no. Beauty 6.2. Wow, bro. I mean, shit, I guess I'm a normal, violently average person. I don't mind being violent. Bro, what is that on your OBS? Nigga, this shit glitch, bro. Chat, it has to take a minute to load, bro. Computer doesn't... That website sells your data to the dark web. Nigga, I don't give a fuck. What the nigga gonna do with my shit? You are 5 per... Nigga, you can't just scrub out... Yo, bro. You can't... That's not how it works, bro. You can't just scrub it out, bro. Yo, that's not how it works, nigga. Jesus, man.